Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and today I'm going to stay in this little woodlot here and see what I can photograph. I am focusing a lot on birds, but I want to see what else I can find here and photograph. I'm really excited about being out here. I think it's going to be a really good day. This time of year gets a little depressing for me. The winter birds have migrated to their breeding grounds, and our tropical birds have not arrived yet. So it's a little slow. So what I think I'm going to do is focus on the birds that may be here right now. If I see something really interesting, I might photograph it. But today is just wide open. I don't know what we're going to do. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, you know, I'm like most people. I don't have an unlimited amount of time to do it, to go birding when the situation is perfect. And this is by far not the perfect time to go birding. It is March. Like I said, the winter birds have already left. The summer birds haven't arrived yet. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. The sun is high in the sky. It is not great weather to be photographing, or great conditions to be photographing birds. But like most people, I don't have an unlimited amount of resources to be able to go birding exactly when things are ideal. So I'm out here today trying to take advantage of the situation as best I can. Getting motivated, I know, is hard, but you just got to do it, kind of drill through it and just do it. But my first bird that I photographed was the Carolina wren. This is a year-round resident of North Carolina. They're an extremely common bird. And one thing that's unique about the Carolina wren is that, first of all, they bond for life. So the male and the female will bond for life. And as that couple stays together longer, they sing a duet. And as the longer they are together, the more unique that duet becomes. And it's a very interesting bird. I think it's a bird that doesn't give the credit that it deserves. It is a beautiful bird, and I think one of the reasons why it is that you're pretty much guaranteed to either hear a Carolina wren or see a Carolina wren every time you go into any kind of forest. They're common in backyards. They are a very common bird. But here are the photos I took. Well, told you I was going to do something a little bit different today, and today I am photographing wildflowers. I just saw these Virginia, what are they called? They are called Virginia Spring Beauties, Eastern Spring Beauties, Grass Flowers, and Fairy Squat. These are a fairly common bird here, a very common flower here in North Carolina. And it just caught my eyes. There are literally thousands of them across the Florida forest here. This is a flower that obviously blooms in the springtime before the leaves come out and take advantage of the resources that are here and then die off. And I'm lucky enough to get some photos of it. So here are the photos I've taken. Well, the Carolina chickadee just came through. About 6 or 8 of them just came through. And whenever you see chickadees, you need to stop and focus on them, because chickadees are birds that other migratory birds seek out, because the chickadee knows where the food is and they know where the best place to shelter is. So a lot of migratory birds will hang around chickadees. And when these chickadees came through here, there was an eastern bluebird with them, and it was also a yellow rump. Now, the eastern bluebird is a resident bird of North Carolina. They normally stay here all year long. But the yellow rump is a migratory bird, and most of the yellow rumps have already migrated north by now, but it's exciting to see one. I didn't get a photograph of the yellow rump. I did get a photograph of the Carolina chickadee and the eastern bluebird. So here are those photos. Well, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a slow time of year to be out here photographing birds. But when you're out here, you have to take advantage of what time you have out here, because like I said before, like the situation I have today, I don't have an unlimited amount of time that I can spend out here. But I mean, I've seen some birds, I hear birds, I had a really good time out here. I'm hoping that you got something out of this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel, because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.